When I was very lonely， 一頭糊塗，
都會有啲唔甘心嘅。
At first, like I didn't know the love of my dad and mom, you know. Suddenly, my grandmom she died, and then I started using marijuana, like because of the loneliness, you know.
其實最初頭咧係有驚恐症，嗰陣時係因為都係濫藥嘅問題啦，咁就發生咗一啲暴力事件啦，係啊。
咁我自己係食可樂嘅。咁可樂就心癮比較大啲啦。咁其實開頭食嘅時候就會覺得，係我去玩緊毒品。咁其實 end up 去到最尾 by result 我都知道毒品玩緊自己。
我係喺香港戒毒會嘅石鼓洲嗰度接受戒毒服務嘅。咁現時係其中一位教練協助去指導院友嘅技巧。
At first, in my first training, I thought it was too hard.
咁啊，慢慢爬下爬下，覺得好似唔係好對路喎，好似洗濕咗個頭喎。
俾醫生知道咗話我個心電圖唔得，話 fit 半月板都上過啊。咁呢個十字韌帶都撕裂咗嘅。
邊個提早5秒放棄，或者提早2秒放棄，你頂唔到最後就輸㗎啦。
一條路，一條心，一掌都要跑得步開。
Dragonwood training not only gave me the sense of togetherness，
俾我揾到翻少少成功感，
將我由我人生最低谷嘅時候，去令到我生命有所改變。
Sometimes like you have your pain in your leg, pain on your back, even when we were in our withdrawal system, like we never give up. I would like to say thanks to Sharda especially, you know, like they helped me a lot, like
去鼓勵我哋去玩呢個活動啦。
Like we were supporting each other, and then finally have the like winning trophy, you know.
起碼無悔先啦，我喺個過程度我盡咗力。
我覺得好驕傲，爸爸好努力，終於贏咗啦！爸爸，我愛你。
其實帶領龍舟隊咧就困難嘅，唔容易嘅，但係我都做得到。
因為龍舟係一個10支槳一條龍，缺一不可嘅。
啲兄弟會叫撐住咯，同行咯，大家互相鼓勵咯。
鼓起勇氣，迎接風浪。